Hello everyone, today I'm going to give you a detailed tutorial on how to use Google Calendar. Here we can see a regular calendar with the dates displayed. This red line shows the current time. As you can see, it's placed next to 7 p.m. because right now it's 7:16. When you click this button, you can choose how the calendar is displayed by day, week, month, year, and so on. If we select the day, it will show only the current day. You can switch to other days using these arrows. Let's select week. As expected, it displays the entire week. Then if we choose month, we can see all the days within the month. This green bar indicates holidays. Let me show you something in the other calendars section. We have an option called Uzbek holidays. Since it's checked, those holidays are visible on the calendar. If I uncheck it, they'll disappear. Let's choose year. So, as you can see, all 12 months are displayed here, and we can switch between years using the arrows. Let's switch back to day. For example, if you scroll too far and want to return to the current date, just click the Today button. Next, I'll show you how to properly set tasks, events, and even create a booking page. Let's pick November 12 as an example. That's tomorrow. Choose any time. I'll pick around 3 p.m. and click on it. You'll see this window appear. First, choose the task option. We need to name our task, in this case, laundry. I just noticed I misspelled it in the video. Very sorry. Now let's set the time. I'll choose 2:45 p.m. Here you can set how often the task repeats. If we choose daily, it repeats every day. If we pick weekly on Wednesday, it means every Wednesday. By the way, it says Wednesday because today is Wednesday. Monthly on the second Wednesday means every second Wednesday of the month. Annually on November 12 means once a year on that date. For now, let's just keep does not repeat. In the due section, we set the task's deadline. Let's put today's date. Here you can add a short description with more details. This line shows which list the current task will be saved in. Let's save the task. Here it is shown with all the details. This pen icon is for editing the task. trash can is for deleting it. If you completed the task, click Marked as completed. Let's see how to set an event. Pick another date. Let's go with 7 p.m. I'll call it wedding. The event option is already selected, as you can see. You can set the date, duration, and time zone. It's already set to Uzbekistan. The reputation option works the same way as they do for task. In the Add Guest section, enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite. So as you can see, we've added one guest. You can also manage guest permissions, whether they can modify the event, invite others, or view the guest list. I'll leave them unchecked for now. When you add guests, Google automatically creates a video meeting link. In the settings, you can manage video meeting permissions like who can share their screen, send reactions, or access chat moderation. So let's save these settings. Next, choose the event location. You can also add a short description. Below that, you can access your OneDrive to attach files or media. Okay, let's save our event. As you can see, it appears on the calendar. If you click on it, all event details are displayed. Click the three dots in the top right corner to see options to print, duplicate, or publish the event. So if you want to publish it on a website, copy the HTML code. If you just want to share it, copy the link below and send it. If you click the letter icon, you can email the event to your guests. Just enter their email address and type your message. Here you can also edit the event. On the main page to the left, there's a small monthly calendar that makes navigation easier. So, if you only want to view events or only tasks, go to My Calendars and toggle them on or off. By the way, Cloudy is just my nickname, don't get confused. You can also change the color for certain events or tasks. Just click the three dots and pick any color. Let's return to the current date. If you want to see only your task, click the button in the upper right corner and here's our task. I realize I misspelled the word. I wish you could see my face then. Here you can edit the task's deadline. And here I'm embarrassingly renaming my task correctly. Now let's return to the task section and look deeper. By clicking the three dots, you can sort tasks by specific conditions. If you click the checkmark, the task will be crossed out. This yellow section on the right is for taking notes. By clicking the plus sign, you can add a note. You can pin notes or from the three-dot menu, archive, delete, or open them in Google Keep. Back to the notes right now. We're in the default task list called My Tasks. For some reason, it's in Russian on my calendar. Our laundry task is inside My Tasks, but we can move it to another list. Here you can change its deadline or create a subtask. Let's create a new list by clicking the three dots on our current task. We'll name it Home Tasks. As you see, My Tasks is now empty because we moved the task to the Home Tasks list. Now let's create an appointment schedule. First, give it a title. You can change the appointment duration and specify the available timeframes when you'll be able for booking. Here we set the standard time zone. Below you can define the minimum advance time required before someone can book an appointment and how late they can do so before it starts. You can also specify availability for specific dates. Next, set the break time between appointments and the maximum number of bookings per day. Finally, decide whether guests can invite others when booking. So after checking everything, let's move to the next step. So here you can see how our profile will appear with your name and image on the booking page. Now specify the location. You can choose a video conference, an in-person meeting, for which you'll need to enter an address, a phone call, or none at all. The booking page also includes a description field. Lastly, there's the booking form. Which is where you decide what information people must fill in when booking. Fields marked with an asterisk are mandatory. Let's add a new field called gender. And make it optional, it won't have an asterisk. So we'll save it. And here's our completed appointment schedule with all the details. So let's preview it. So this is the preview page. Click See What Others See. And here's our finished booking page. Let's test it by using a time slot, just like a client would. We'll fill in the fields name, surname, number, and email. As you can see, the gender field is optional, so we can leave it blank. Click Book, and that's it. The booking is confirmed. Now, let's return to the calendar. So, if you want to share your appointment schedule, simply copy the link. By clicking the three dots, you can view all your booking pages for now. We only have one. That's it.